This video tutorial contains sound. Please turn on your loudspeakers or use headphones. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for choosing to use our TRUMPF software program. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to successfully install and activate your license program online. The TRUMPF software should already be installed on your laptop before you begin this process. If you need it, you can get the DVD as a separate delivery. For the license activation, please make the Microsoft Internet Explorer browser the default browser. The TRUMPF license software certificate will have been sent to you by email. Let's begin. On the desktop, open your email account. In your inbox, go to your email from TRUMPF and open the attachment, License Software Certificate. Please copy the license ticket number. Go to the Windows Start menu and find the TRUMPF installation program. Under the TRUMPF programs list, please go to the TRUMPF License Expert Administrators option. To do this, click on the TRUMPF License Expert program. Click on More, and then on the Administrator option. To start the TRUMPF License Expert program, you must acknowledge the following question by clicking Yes. Under License Management, please fill in the license ticket number. Paste or type in the ticket number into the corresponding field and click on Save Ticket to save it. This will then be remembered by the program. Under License Management you can see Notifications, Details, and Offline Management with step-by-step assistance. Please continue the online activation by clicking on the tab, Activation and change it. On the TRUMPF Internet site, the Vibo Web Depot's license summary page will come up. In the license summary page, you can see the license details by clicking on each license tab. For TRUMPF, each license is bound to one computer only. When you bind the license to your computer, it will be transferred to it. In doing so, the license program is protected as only one computer has access to it. Choose the licenses you wish to activate. Here, from the license container, you can choose which one you want to activate. You must select the TRUMPF Productive License container beginning with 130 for the program to function. Once selected, press Now activate the selected licenses. After the successful license activation, the license summary page can be used to view the status of each license by clicking on each individually. Under the Help menu you can find more information about the TRUMPF License Expert. Here you have the opportunity to select the Operator's Manual, to open software licensing documents, and to show log file. After your successful activation, you can start to work with your license TrueTop's Boost application on your computer. For any installation or software questions, please contact our TRUMPF Software Customer Support Service. We thank you for your confidence in us. Your software sales support team.